So before we start this video, guys, I just want to make a quick announcement. I'm doing a 50% off sale on all t-shirts online. I'm making some room for the new merch line that I'm going to be starting up here shortly, so 50% off all t-shirts until they're gone. That link is always below for you guys in the description of all my videos, so definitely check that out and enjoy this video.
What's going on, guys, and welcome back. We're in the truck right now. I'm wearing a hat today, feeling a little dangerous. It's either that or maybe just because I've only got about a few hours of sleep. Been working nights this week. But anyways, thanks to Corsa for giving me this hat. I run a Corsa exhaust on this truck. It sounds killer. But yes, did I mention the fact that I am tired? But it's okay. We've got some Chick-fil-A today, and that's gonna make things all better. Oh yeah, let's do this. Wow, it's empty in here. Or you just cleaned up a little bit, maybe. Oh, that's right. Yeah, you got the second lift there. I brought Andrew's shirt back. Where's he at?
Oh, look at that. A lot of, body odor.
The hang. No, it's washed.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Andrew's like, man, it smells like clean clothes. I hate it. Josh get promoted to Alex's position.
Oh, God. No. Should we just light the place on fire now?
Alrighty, well. Here we go. Let's get to getting. Caliper 1, caliper 2.
It's nothing.
Well, I carried both of them out here and I was like, oh, bad idea. All right.
Oh yeah. Nothing. Cake work.
Let's go unbox these. There they are.
They're pretty gargantuan.
Pretty massive.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Chevy Performance. Big brake kit. Here's rotor number 1. Oh yeah, 16-inch rotor. Not sure how big the calipers are, but they are 6-piston calipers. Yeah, buddy. That's what she said. Take a gander. How big do you think they are?
15 or 16.
Yeah, 16.
16? Is that what you told her?
Yeah,
That would be a lie then.
So there they are, unboxed. Huge, as one word to describe them. Again, these are 6-piston Brembo calipers. I wanted some extra braking performance when towing a trailer, and I thought it would be a cool upgrade for the truck as well. They'll increase the braking performance by 84%. They only have the front brakes. There's no rear brake upgrade because most of your stopping power comes from your front brakes. You can't run a wheel smaller than 20 inches because they won't fit, obviously, in the wheels. Pretty excited to throw these on and see how much better. What do you think? Think they're gonna stop?
Okay.
They're probably bigger than most people's wheels.
Well, we can hold it up to this GTO.
Okay, let's check it out. So what we'll do is we'll pull the truck in. We can take one off. Probably we'll take one factory one off and then compare it. Little tight fit. So while Eric is taking off the one wheel, obviously it comes with all the bolts needed. This is a direct factory replacement, factory option, like I said before in the video. Comes with directions, which is always good. I can already tell right now. They are really dinky, aren't they? They look like that because those are 22-inch wheels.
Yeah, that's a baby.
Eric said my rotors are babies, but they are. The truck weighs 5,500 pounds, I think. It's kind of light, honestly, for a truck, I think. First caliper is being disassembled.
Yeah, we'll leave this here and do the rotor first. You know how long it's been since I've done brakes? Because I do all this performance stuff. I haven't done regular brakes in forever.
I guess you guys really don't do brake upgrades here, just horsepower. Nobody needs to stop.
You don't need to slow down, you just need to go fast.
Let's probably install more parachutes than brakes.
Well, this bracket's gonna come off.
Yeah.
And then the caliper's just gonna bolt to the spindle.
Basically direct replacement.
Yeah, there's really minimal that you need to worry about.
Yeah, that's the nice thing with going with something like that. It's direct from Chevy, so it works. And it fits perfect. They give you the new bolts over here with new Loctite on them. Right there, that's the old one. They'll be replaced with new ones, which is nice. The only bolt looks like we're gonna be reusing is this one right here.
Do you want to set it over top of it?
Yeah, set it over top of it to see what the difference in size is. There you go.
Wow. That's pretty nuts.
Well, there we go.
This is the new dual brake rotor and caliper upgrade.
Yeah, this is...
There's one on the inside, one on the outside.
So I got the rotor off there. And again, a little comparison for you guys. Definitely a couple inches. Let's measure that. See what they are from the factory. Yeah, I would say probably like maybe 13, 12.
Strike it down a little
Maybe 12, actually.
Yeah, it's 13.
13?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Dude, I think they're bigger than the ZL1 calipers, aren't they?
Yeah, they probably are. They're pretty large. Try it done. Oh, shnikes.
That's a big rotor. You want to see the stock?
I want to, yeah, I was looking.
The stocks are 13s. The new ones are 16s.
So this is a large pizza.
That's a large pizza pie. This is a personal pizza pie. They are purty.
Yeah. Get this thing out of here.
Guess what time it is? It's time for some guitar playing. I had a lot of requests for Avenged Sevenfold, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna be playing the solo from Nightmare. I used to play that song in my band as well. It's a pretty cool song. That's the main lick for it, but you guys are gonna see that here in a second. I'm basically gonna play the solo section. It comes into a harmonized lead and then it goes into the main solo and a bunch of harmonized leads and crazy stuff. I'll be playing all the parts as well as the rhythm guitar track to a backing track which consists of drums and bass. And there you guys go, Nightmare by Avenged Sevenfold. I'm not gonna lie, this song was really hard to do. I had to cut it in different parts, but that's actually how it's done on the record. The two guitar players in Avenged Sevenfold actually split up their solos. They didn't play it all on one lick. They actually have different segments where the harmonies come in, so they recorded the guitar solo actually in different parts. So I had to do the same to give it the same feel. But I hope you guys enjoyed that solo. Comment below, let me know what you thought of it, and give me some suggestions or songs that you'd like to see me play. Now, back to the video.
Side 1 is finished, and let's do side 2.
You just do that for all my work. It's done.
What? Just click and be done?
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Do it.
Here it goes. Well, there you go, magic. So what do you think, Chief?
They're pretty big. You're gonna do an endo.
Yeah, that's what everyone's saying. We should have just put one on one side and then just went and drove it and see what happened. That would have been great.
Can't wait till you're out for your test drive and you come back with a big mark on your forehead.
They also provide this little Chevy Performance. So it sticks on your vehicle. And this is the funny part about it right here. They actually give you specific directions on how to install that. Yeah, 5 pounds for a minimum of 5 seconds. Just in case you guys don't know how to install something like that. Yeah. Now we also gotta burnish the brakes. Accelerate the vehicle to 30 miles an hour. Using moderate to firm pressure, apply the brakes. Then repeat the previous 2 steps until approximately 20 stops have been completed. Allow sufficient cooling periods between stops in order to properly burnish the brakes, pads, and rotors. We just finished bleeding the brakes. Eric just topped off the brake fluid. Time to put the wheels back on and go burnish them brakes. Oh yeah, that looks good. Heck yeah. Haha. Pulling her out. Oh yeah. They don't rub or anything like that, obviously, because they still are the stock wheels. But again, you cannot run a wheel smaller than 20 inches in diameter. So we're gonna go burnish the brakes real quick and see how much more aggressive the stopping power is. All right, Eric, get in the passenger seat. You wanna get in the back?
Do we need like 6-point harnesses so we can stay in the seat when you hit the brakes?
So we gotta hurry up and get to 30 miles an hour and slam on the brakes, right? And what's moderate braking like?
I felt like, oh shit.
Is that good?
Like we're coming in hot.
Definitely coming in hot.
That's what it said to do.
Moderate brake.
There you go, that's moderate. That's definitely moderate. Good job, there's a car coming behind you.
Like I'm trying to brake moderately, but like I don't know if that's like barely braking. Like what's all the way down?
I don't know, we're gonna find out, aren't we?
I feel like burnishing the brakes is literally just driving normal for me.
Yeah, probably. mean, they definitely stop nice.
Yeah, they do.
There's a car coming. Jesus Christ. We're gonna die. I like how we come in hot.
Like right
Yeah,
now.
like we're coming in hot behind cars and 2 stop signs.
What am I supposed to do? Is
Where
this
there's-
supposed to burnish them? I'm supposed to put them on like a grandpa?
You're supposed to do it in areas where you have room for error. There was no room for error there.
There was plenty of room for error.
Yeah, you know, if you
Right to the
crash,
emergency room.
Emergency room's right there.
There's a car stopping right here.
Burnish the brakes!
I'm glad they work.
Wow. I was barely on them. That was like half.
I can't wait until you have a big mark on your forehead.
I love good brakes because I love stopping hard. I hate coming to a stop really slow. I just hate it. I don't know why. Maybe I should have been a freaking road course racer, not a drag racer, because I love stopping really hard.
There's still time.
We
Which way?
did. Left. Jesus.
Normally I would jump the light, but I like stopping.
I should not have gotten this truck with him.
All right.
Oh, we can do donuts back here.
So we gotta stop here.
Well, yeah, otherwise you're gonna run into that sign.
It stops really good. I like it. Nice firm stop. 30 miles an hour and hit the brakes.
We stop a little faster. Oh God!
I mean, I could
these
go
tires.
real fast and stop if you want to try it.
I mean,
right
I'm
up
game.
here. All right, we're gonna do a stop from what mile an hour?
50.
Oh boy, this ought to be fun.
Like a 5,000 pound truck.
Come on.
Okay, do it now.
Wow! Holy
That was on.
What?
Let's go back to the shop.
What? I did not expect that. Dude, that thing
stops
was just
like a car.
Dick.
That's impressive.
Yeah,
Yeah. I think they're burnished good now.
probably.
Sir, you were excessively stopping.
I'm gonna have to make this an entire video.
So yeah, these are definitely worth it. These are definitely a pretty sweet upgrade. Dude, we came to a stop from 50. Like a car.
Yeah, no, it was awesome.
Alrighty guys, so on my way home now from CSP, and we're hitting some traffic, which is normally bad. I hate traffic, but it's actually good because I get a chance to test out these brakes and see how they really work. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, it is a noticeable difference. You know, normally when you drive a truck or a bigger vehicle, it doesn't stop like a normal car, right? It takes a little longer to stop. And I'm not saying the brakes from the factory are bad, but these upgraded front rotors and 6-piston calipers, I don't know how to explain it. It feels like I'm driving a sports car, more like performance style braking. Obviously, it's not gonna stop as fast as my Camaro ZL1. It's just not gonna happen. But when I was doing about 45, 50, and I just kind of like rest my foot on the brake getting ready to come to a stop, I mean, it was already grabbing. Where the stock front brakes on the truck, it didn't do that. I said it before in the video, there's not much of a difference, just moderate like braking, but there is. Now that I'm driving it and actually going faster than 30 miles an hour, it's yeah, it's definitely a noticeable difference. I was able to get up to 70 on the highway just a few minutes ago, and that was even more noticeable, which is pretty awesome. I'll keep you guys updated if I run into anything else on the drive home, but we got one more thing to do before this installation is complete. All right, so getting home now. It's a little dark. It gets dark early this time of year. But I'm using the new lighting that I installed in the garage. I'm partially finished with this garage to light up the driveway here. So this is the last thing left, which is the Chevy Performance badge. And you get these when you get like a ZL1 or something like that. It comes with one of these. Chevrolet Performance, both of my ZL1s came with this badge, so they provide one, which is really cool because you now have Chevy Performance parts on your vehicle. So we're gonna throw that right there. Yep, I'd say that'll do nicely right there. Look, I'm using my cell phone as a light. 5 pounds of force, guys, just like the directions said. Now we're good. Full installation complete.
So the truck is now part of the Chevy Performance gang. It's official. But on a serious note, guys, I've had the past couple days to drive the truck and really see how the brakes feel and how they respond, and I can tell you right now that I'm still blown away by it. Now, like, I wish I would have optioned my truck with those brakes when I ordered it instead of getting them later. The feel of the brakes, the responsiveness of the brake pedal, everything, it makes it feel completely different. And honestly, it gives me a little more confidence when driving the truck. Like, you know, I feel a little safer that I'm able to stop a lot quicker if somebody juts out in front of me. Like, I can slam on the brakes and not have to worry about the truck probably not stopping. Now I'm really not worried about that at all. Now again, just to give you guys some specs on the brakes, I was trying to tell you while I was doing the video at Complete Street, but it was kind of hard. So I do have a list of all the specs. Chevy actually sent this to me via email, which is cool. You guys can get these brakes for your 2014 to 2019 Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, Escalade. It's not just Chevy, there is also Cadillac and GMC as well. You have 2007 to 2013 Silverado and Sierra, and 2007 to 2014 Suburban, Tahoe, Yukon, Escalade, and 2007 to 2013 Avalanche and Escalade. Now the different features, obviously you got the red Brembo, 6-piston calipers. You can get them with the Chevy Performance logo, the GMC logo, or the Cadillac logo if you wish. Obviously you got the 16-inch rotors, and you have the Duralife brake pads. You have an increase of 84% in brake pad area and 42% increase in the rotor area. But not just that, but like I was saying about the feel of the brake pedal, you actually have a 31% reduction in pedal force and a 12% reduction in pedal travel at maximum deceleration. I felt that when I was driving the truck. I could actually feel that. Like, those stats aren't just made up, like they're real. I could feel the pedal, like I didn't have to press as hard. Like, just resting my foot on the pedal, I could pretty much come to a stop. And you really feel it when you get into it, but it's like slowing down at highway speeds. I could feel it a lot more than, let's say, with the stock brakes. And the stock brakes are good. I'm not saying like the stock brakes are terrible, like you gotta have these brakes if you wanna have good brakes. I'm just saying these are pretty awesome. Like, they're a really nice performance upgrade for your vehicle. I'll be honest with you right now, guys, I didn't think they were gonna be this good. I was coming into this video thinking, oh yeah, it's a cool upgrade, I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna say, yeah, they're good, check them out. No, I'm pleasantly surprised. Over the past couple days just driving the truck, they're awesome. Obviously, you can go on Chevy's website and you can find the price of these things, the MSRP list price, but your dealership is going to have a better deal wherever you're at if you wanted to get them. And not just that, you can get them online, and I have a discount code for you guys. It's Guitar15. Now, Chevy's running their own discount online. It's only good for 30 days, but my discount code is actually good for 90 days. So take advantage of that if you are interested in these brakes. So big shout out to Chevrolet for hooking me up with these brakes. I had an awesome time reviewing them, and I love them. I'm glad I put them on my truck. Anyways, that about does it for this video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. Stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be the last drive with the Freedom Rocket because it's going to CSP for the new build. I'm going to be revealing next week what I'm going to be doing this year to the car. Also, we got another little modification coming to the truck as well. Well, it's not actually a little change, it's a pretty big change. So stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video though, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're coming here for the first time, and have a great day.